Brew gone wrong in 1814. London's porter beer production was booming at the Meux and Company Brewery. Sudsy catastrophe on October 17, 1814. A massive beer vat burst, releasing 135,000 gallons of porter in a tidal wave. Chaos and tragedy, buildings crumbled, streets flooded, and 8 lives were lost, including women and children. Legal fallout inquiries held the brewery responsible, but penalties were minimal. Brew Tsunami's legacy. The London beer flood is an odd, often referenced historical tale. The 1814 London beer flood is a bizarre historical twist, showing that history is full of unexpected tales.